The girls have wandered farther than I want them to. Enter mealworms. Here, chick, 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 chick. Come on, girls. Yeah, Jolene, you're always down for a big old fat juicy worm, aren't you? Oh, look. Hi, baby. Come on, girls. Well, you guys, I know, but we got Goofy Lucy back there. I think that's Poppy. But Jolene here is kicking her ass and trying to peck her brains. Ah! Fucking chicken. Come on, ladies. You jump at me again, Jolene. You're going to be dinner. Not really, because you give me eggs. Well, your children will be my dinner.